Hello. Do you also want to study abroad in the top international universities of the world? Then wait for a second. India is going to have the campus of International University in this particular year of 2025 and 26. Do you want to know the list of those 15 universities? Then let's go. The first is the Deccan University of Australia. The location of the university is Gift City, Gandhinagar, Gujarat. The university offers following courses, that is Master of Business Analytics and Master of Cyber Security. The universities came into operation since 2024. The next is University of Wollongong, Australia. The location of this university is also Gift City, Gandhinagar, Gujarat. The university offers courses like Masters of Financial Technology, Graduate Certificate in Computing, and Master of Computing in Data Analytics. The university is operated since 2024. University of Southampton of United Kingdom. The location of university in India is Gurugram, Haryana. University have BSc course in Accounting, Business Management, Computer Science, and it is expected to commence its operation in the year 2025. University of Liverpool. Location of the university will be Bangalore, Karnataka. The university is going to come up with the courses of law, business and health science. The university has got its approval and campus is expected to commence operation by 2026. Next in the list is Queen's University, Belfast of United Kingdom. Location of this university is again Gandhinagar, Gujarat. The courses are not yet specified but going to commence from 2026. Western Sydney University of Australia, which is going to be located in Greater Noida, Uttar Pradesh. The courses are not specified. University is also waiting for approval. City of Surrey, United Kingdom. The campus will be situated in Gift City, Gandhinagar, Gujarat. The university will come up with the courses of Artificial Intelligence, Finance and Cyber Security. Lincoln University College of Malaysia, which is going to be located in Telangana. The famous designing university of Italy, that is Istituto Europeo di Design. The university will offer following courses: Fashion Designing, Visual Arts and Communication. University of United Kingdom, which will be located in Now here is a list of universities who have expressed their interest in India. Newcastle University, United Kingdom. University of Leicester, United Kingdom. Monash University of Australia. University of Newcastle, Australia. And one of the global standard university of the world, that is Oxford University of United Kingdom. Which is your dream university? Is those in this 15 list or not?